Many business owners want a simple way to stay professional without juggling multiple devices. A virtual phone number gives you that flexibility while keeping your personal number private. Let's walk through how it works and how to get your own number online. A virtual phone number routes calls, texts, and voicemail over the internet to any device you choose, like a mobile phone, soft phone, or desktop app. This helps you stay connected from anywhere and gives customers a professional way to reach you. Before you get started, think about your business needs. Do you want a local number to build trust in a specific region or a toll-free number for national reach? Will you need individual numbers for team members or shared extensions? Also, consider the tools you already use, like your CRM or scheduling software, and look for a phone service that integrates with them. Next, choose a reliable provider. Look for strong call quality, reliable uptime, easy setup, and customer support that will actually help you when you need it. Some services go beyond basic calling and include voicemail transcription, analytics, or video meetings, which can be valuable as your business grows. Then select your number type. Local numbers help you feel established in a city. Toll-free numbers create a national presence. Vanity numbers can support brand recognition with easy-to-remember patterns that make marketing more effective. After choosing your number, customize your setup. Create call forwarding rules, add extensions, record a professional voicemail, and build a simple menu to route callers. Features like auto attendants or virtual receptionists can help your business appear polished and organized, even if you are a team of one. Next, download the mobile or desktop apps. These apps let you call, text, check voicemail, and manage your settings from anywhere without extra hardware. Your virtual number becomes a full business communication tool that travels with you. As you explore providers, look for essential features like call forwarding, voicemail transcription, business texting, auto attendance, video meetings, number porting, and CRM integrations. These features help you save time and improve customer interactions. Setting up a virtual phone number is a smart way to support your long-term growth. Explore plans at phone.com and start your setup today.